Hi, good morning mga kabiyahero. I am your Ate Mika.
I am your Ate MJ.
And I'm your Ate Rowella.
And I am your Ate Jen.
And I'm your Ate Bal.
Hello, I'm your Ate Shan.
I'm your Ate Cles.
And we are your tour guiding team for today's adventure. Our team is Tagaytay City, the second summer capital of the Philippines. Kaya ready na ba kayo sa malamig at masayang day tour ng Tagaytay City?
Siyempre guys, bago tayo umalis, i-check muna natin ang mga gamit natin like cellphone, wallet, and personal things natin. We will be commuting all day, kaya i-check nyo yung kasama nyo, baka may nawawala na. NCR to Cavite, meron tayong parents consent, kaya safe tayo bumahe pa Tagaytay.
Sino dito ang first time pumunta ng Tagaytay? Taas kamay! Wow, ang dami! So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride papuntang Tagaytay. Let's make this trip unforgettable and full of good vibes.
Wow!
Kiss me hard before you go. Summertime sadness. I just wanted you to know that baby, you're the best.
Siyempre, bago gala, kain muna. Kung naghahanap kayo ng affordable na makakainan, dito na kayo sa 99 pesos lang, meals na siya with drinks.
Turn up, blow it on up till I can't even think no more. Get ready to go dumb, then go more dumb, then we can keep it lit, let's roll.
A few moments later.
We will take a short walk from the food park to Picnic Grove. Now we're here at the entrance. Please prepare 75 pesos per person. Stay close and secure your things. Let's go in and enjoy the view.
Welcome to Picnic Grove. Isa ito sa pinakasikat na tourist spot dito sa Tagaytay. Perfect to sa family and barkadas.
so many activities to try. First, we have zipline. Horseback riding. The Ferris wheel. Hello everyone. There's a lot of souvenir na pwede nyo mabili here in Tagaytay. This one, the shell, na pwedeng panglagay sa door. And a lot of keychain. Look. And I have one.
Fun fact, Picnic Grove has developed in the 1980s to become a family-friendly leisure parks. Kaya hanggang ngayon, dito dumadayo ang mga barkada at pamilya para mag-picnic at mag-chill.
Accommodation Nerby, marami ring accommodations around Picnic Grove like cabins and view hotels perfect for staycations.
Hi mga ka-tourist! Nandito na tayo sa isa sa pinakabisita Iglesia favorites, Our Lady of Manawag Church, Tierra de Maria. Ang 55th image ni Mama Mary dito ay simbolo ng protections and miracles. Marami ang nagpupunta para mag-alay ng dasal for good health, success, at safe travels. Reminders, stay quiet, respect sacred spaces, and no rapt acts while filming. Pwede tayong mag-light ng candles and prayer intentions before we leave.
Ito ang ating tahanan for the day. May 3 bedrooms, good for 15 packs, perfect for bonding, kulitan, and rest after touring. Facilities include kitchen, clean bathrooms, spacious living area, fresh Tagaytay breeze. Keep the place clean, bawal ang sobrang ingay, late at night, at alagaan po natin ang property. After resting at the transient house, we'll have our dinner here at Street Pares. The meals are very affordable, only 60 pesos. Let's enjoy a warm and tasty dinner together before we end our day. Let's eat!
Kasi po malapit lang sa Metro Manila and budget friendly and also madaming magagandang tourist destination and malamig. Yun.
Encourage po namin ng tourists na magtapon ng basura sa tamang lugar at irespeto ang lugar tulad ng simbahan at suportahan ang local businesses tulad ng Pupicham Food Park.
Unang-una, pinagplanuhan namin ang pagpunta dito sa Tagaytay. At siniguradong comfortable at safety ang aming pag-iistiyan. At suitable for group tour ang aming mga napiling tourist spots destination.
Alam naman namin karamihan sa mga tourist ay students, kaya nag-focus kami sa budget-friendly options without sacrificing comfort. Pinili namin ang mga local food, shop at transit house to swak sa bulsa para hindi mabigat, pero enjoy pa rin ang buong tour. Ang pinaka-learning outcome po namin ay mas naging confident po kami sa public speaking at pag-handle ng tourists at kung paano magbigay ng accurate information while making the tour fun and engaging.
Maraming salamat po for joining our Tagaytay Adventure.
Goodbye mga